So what are you making today, babe?
I'm making vegetables so my family will eat them. You season them all up and then you roast them.
What are you making?
Carrots! You can't see those? Oh my goodness. Dave, seriously. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Guys, you're sweating on everything.
The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
No. You're doing too bad, y'all. You can easily have this. I'll put that in the recipe. There we go. Alright. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Seasonings. Roasted. Gotta have oil. It's the cumin one, babe. Sorry.
Cumin, you need to change your lid.
4 teaspoons.
A little bit of spice.
These are gonna be a little spicy. It's alright. Mix. I think they're almost saturated. Get some of that over here. Try to level them. Flat. think we did it.
Spicy?
A little bit.
Go. Oh, them. Wow.
They're done. Yum-o. Roasty. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ta-da!
Y'all stay tuned.
It's called roasted. And there's my son. Hey, Brandon.
You guys recording?
Yeah, what do you need?
I gotta do laundry.
Oh, well.
Leave it there. We'll start later.
Okay. I'm gonna make some sandwiches.
You're such a brat. Thank you.
I didn't stop that.
We gotta make sure we turn that back on. We are terrible with that. And then Brandon has like wet clothes in the morning.
You got our sparkly shirt on.
Yeah. And sometimes I like sparkles.
Good girl.
I am.
Definitely.
I think we did it.
Spicy?
A little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, now I did it.
Is it hot, babe?
No, I just got stuck all over me. Ah, it's spicy. Oh my goodness.
It's probably not that spicy.
No, it is actually.